Nice Porsche for a window tint. Well, I don't know. Is it nice? What do you think, guys? Ow. Yeah, it's nice. In a red color. Kenny will be doing a back window because he says I won't fit.
I do it all the time anyway.
Not all the time. Because there's not a lot of space in there, so see if we can fit it in or not. Yeah, plenty of space, I could fit in there. The Porsche Carrera is now finished, windows tinted, just leaving it for a bit to dry and press out any fingers if they come back. And waiting now for Suzuki Vitara for a top end wrap from a Dixons of Inverness, so they're on their way. We'll get that in and we'll get that sorted. Vitara, it's actually a different Vitara. First one is gone. The first one has been picked up and the second one's been dropped off. It's for local dealer Dixons of Inverness. So this one's getting the same top half wrapped in gloss black. Kenny's faffing about instead of helping me. It's his bonnet of his car. Right, so let's get this wrapped and that's it. Okay, so Vitara is now finished. Not that one, but that one. So top roof, top half was wrapped in gloss black. So I'm gonna phone the client, well, phone the dealer, Dixons of Inverness, so they can come and collect it. Fiesta for, oh, we actually had this Fiesta before for a roof wrap, now it's back for the window tint and front grille. Jeez, like how big you are! You can't even fit in the doors.
Push you to the other side.
I tripped. Stop it. Right, so anyway, back into the subject of Fiesta. Windows are tinted, and they actually were tinted before, now they're black.
They're dark.
You cannot see. Hello. So that's the windows tinted, and then front grille. Not grill, between the number plate wrapped, so it looks like a big mouth, just like from there, all this to there. Actually, no, it doesn't look that bad from far away. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? Kenny's faffing about it again.
Faffing around. You've been on your all day.
I was on my all day, but I'm working on the website, so. Right, this one is going out shortly. Vitara still be waiting to be picked up, and we should have a Aston Martin vintage this afternoon for some dechroming. So I'll see you then. So Aston Martin dechromed around the windows. So both sides done around the windows. Really nice clean example. Like cool handles. So what was the car? Aston Martin is gone. Short memory. Aston Martin gone. Kenny's washing his car. The paint is gonna come off the car. He's washing it like 3 times a day. This focus. Yeah, this is a good day today. It's actually Audi RS4. The front bumper, well, actually it's coming here for detailing and all the bits and bobs. This car is going to be for sale, but the front bumper and rear bumper is going to be painted. The front bumper's got lots of stone chips, and the rear bumper's got a wee chip of paint at the bottom of it. I'm not sure how did that happen. Right there, something must stone the chip to hit or something. Or something, yeah. So that's gonna be repainted, fitted back together, all the interior, outside, ceramic coating, engine bay, everything's gonna be look spotless, so it's ready for the sale. And I'm going home because I'm not gonna be washing my car. I'm gonna be probably snowing by tomorrow. So I will see you all tomorrow. So Tesla back with us for just a maintenance washer. Client has got a meeting next to us, so it's actually been pre-washed a wee bit, so but it's living on a farm track, so there's quite a lot of dirt, and then just we'll do a PPF inspection at the same time, because we did a PPF on it not long ago. And this one is for a roof wrap and calipers to be painted yellow. So there's a car just arrived for the summer Tesla wheels, so we'll get them loaded up onto the truck. So we did PPF on those doors, and those doors were covered in the mud, and the mud seems to stain the PPF. I'm trying to get a focus. You can just see those lines like marks in the PPF there. Hopefully you can see that. So I tried all the different solutions, nothing took that off, but what it does take it off, it's a heat gun. So a wee bit of a heat, and it's like brand new. So I'm just gonna get that heat applied on these doors because I already done the other doors. Difficult to pick it up, but it's definitely making a trick. So that's Audi roof done. Brake calipers all painted. So roof is done. Just need a post heater, and we added black gloss between the B-pillar between the windows, so it looks like a one long window. And we're gonna do the same on the back, in between the windows, so when you close it you don't see white. It's just gonna be a big black window. Hi Kenny. Hello. Same thing on that side, and we tint the lights in the back. And that's it. I think that's those two things, isn't it, Kenny? Yeah. Nice and easy, quick job. And after that, we'll go for lunch. What's for lunch, Kenny? There's a diet today. Yeah, dilemma. Every day. Never know what to say. Dilemma. Diet. Yeah, dilemma. Okay, so quick Friday update. Still waiting for the clients to come and pick up the T5 and then the Audi. And meantime, what I'm doing is Opening a mountain top and roll bars from mountain top. It's in black. It's actually for the next week job for a Mitsubishi L200. So it's coming first thing in the morning. So I will get that done, build up today. A couple cars in on Saturday, tomorrow, and then hopefully we'll get that quite easily on Monday. So it won't take too long. So let's get it built, get it out of the way, and we're gonna install this next week on Monday. And the progress so far, the main thing is put together. The roll bars are done, but I cannot go any further until the pickup arrives here on Monday. So Kenny decided to tint his rear lights, so that's what they look, nice and dark. Well, not fully dark, but it's just subtle tint, which make it look quite good. Would like to show you before, but he's done both lights now, so. There we are, so just a subtle, you see between the red, a bit darker, so nice and subtle. Nice and subtle. Looking good. And then I might see you tomorrow. Sun is coming out, just been raining. Weather is great. Weather is great, it's Scotland, so you get snow, rain, sun, everything in one day. Come to Scotland. Good morning! It's Saturday, sunny. Two, what are those Corsas, isn't it? Yeah. Two Corsas to tint, one there.
Same.
And one green up there. So Kenny is on the tinting duties and I'm on washing duties. So those two cars will be washed spotless. I'll show Kenny how to get this done. So first Corsa is tinted, green one is now in. Lee is running away because we've got him today for some washing training. We're gonna teach him a proper washing technique, safe washing technique on his white Audi A4. So first thing we're gonna start with the wheels, and then wheel arches flushed, and then we're gonna pre-rinse whole car and then snow foam it. So this car we're gonna use as a guinea pig for Geon Bath Plus. Obviously this, I don't think that car had a wax or anything like that. The water is just standing on the bonnet. There's no beading or sheeting. If we put a bit of water on it, you can see there's no movement really. So we'll get the car washed with the Bath Plus and see if what's the difference comes out. So 2 bucket safe method wash. We're using 2 mitts. This mitt is for the top of the half of the car, so from there upwards, and then the other one we're using for the bottom part where is most of the dirt. That way you inducing less and less swirls. It's just all about limitation of swirls. So we've got a wash bucket, rinse bucket, 2 mitts. One we're using for top of half, and the other one for the bottom half. So that's just after the wash with the bath, and you can already see the difference, how it's beading and how it's with the other side. Lovely, just with a bath wash. So tire's been done, iron's been done, and now last snow foam just away, just to clean all the chemicals. Final rinse, and then we're gonna apply the wet coat as well, just to top it up, the Bath Plus. So we're gonna add a wet coat to it, just to give an extra durability, gloss, beading, hardness, and self-cleaning. It's cool, quite easy to apply.